Thank you. What up, what up, what up? What up, squad? Let's put this over here. So, wow, it looked like GA just rocketed, so that's great. A little bit too early for me. So, let me just put this here. Yeah, wow. Looking like we've just rocketed up here. Nice. Beautiful. So the weekly outlook, I said buys above 160 were nice. They worked out nicely. I don't know how you would have got in, to be honest with you, because it just rocketed. So that is fine with me. But yeah, okay. So let's just see, everything's running. Everything's up and run. Okay. So yeah, let's just see if my mic is all good as well. I think I should be okay now. Maybe I'll put it a little bit higher. There we go. Right, okay, so let's get into this over here. I hope you have a nice weekend. Let's start on GJ. So GJ, the daily time frame, and there's a little bit of a gap. I'm just going to keep on this flip. Your flip may be a bit different, but it doesn't really matter too much. It's in that area, okay? So the daily's bullish, has broken the high of the previous. This 4-hour time frame is finally pushed above this level. Which is looking nice to continue bullish to these highs at 161,800 would be nice. Take a look at the hourly time frame. It's closing in a minute's time. It's closing potentially above this little resistance here, which is nice. The 30-minute and the 15-minute over here. Wow, beautiful. So yeah, looking like we've already kind of missed the move, to be honest with you. It's ran nearly 100 pips in space of two 50-minute candles. So yeah, I'm not going to be rushing into these buys anymore, unfortunately, because it's pushed the way I wanted it to, 160. But that is fine. So looking like the 50-minute has a little bit of resistance here, looking like we may be closing above in this time. Let's take a look if it was news. 1 second. Let's take a look over here. No news. Interesting. Because that 50-minute candle is 55 pips. So that's rather interesting. However, yeah, so I think, yeah, we pushed above. I think for me, did anyone try and get in? The only thing I'd say for getting in was maybe a bit lower down, but still, I mean, that's at 6 a.m.
I guess we got in at around that area.
Yeah, shock Brian and didn't tell any of us. I call bluff. If you didn't tell anyone, I call fucking bluffs. Right, okay. So yeah, I'd say buys above here. We haven't actually closed above yet, so that's kind of nice. But yeah, I'm going to take my time with this. I'm not rushing into these impulses for GJ now. It's run off the way I expected it after 160, so that's fair enough. I'm not going to be jumping in here with a fucking 300 pip stop to just try and get my 10 pips. So yeah, I'm happily going to miss this trade. I think the way to get in, yeah, was maybe here with these candles printing nicely, but to be honest with you, there wasn't really anything there. Brian, how did you see anything there, man? It's just printing bullish here. There's still resistances there. How did you get in?
Nothing much on.
Cheers. Yeah, it'd be interesting. I entered on the 4-hour flip. Yes, 4-hour flip. The move is already done. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So yeah, I think buys of here maybe. I mean, what I might do is just wait for resistance to form, to make some support, to then ride it back up. This may happen like 168.65. It could tap and then it could come and make some support here, to then continue later on maybe. Yeah. That's potentially what I'd want to do, I think. So I'm trying to think about getting in. How to have got in a little bit earlier. This is so early though. 5:45. I'm not fucking getting up there. But that candle closure bullish there was kind of nice. The next one made a lower wick, tapped the previous level. That's kind of a nice retest there. Like a 9 pip stop. That'd been kind of nice. Let's take a look. I hope no one took that gold retest. Is there a gold as well? Was it news or just Asia? Nah, this isn't Asia. This is literally just 6:30, so I have no idea, man. Hope no one took the gold retest. Was there a retest that you were looking for? Sashin? Yeah, we'll take a look at gold as well. So, looking like gold starting to be bullish again. The daily's pushing above the previous is looking rather nice. Let's take a look here. Yeah, 4-hour time frame is looking a little bit bearish right now. Kind of rejected a certain level of resistance at 1857. So let me just put this on over here. Yeah, 1857. The hourly time frame is really causing this resistance. Yeah, so for me, I think buys above on the hourly would be above 1857 here. Let's take a look at the 15-minute here. Yeah. Yeah, it's going to probably be above this level. Let's take a look then. Let me zoom in. 1 second. Yeah. Let's take a look at how that looks like on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah. Yeah, looking like it's gained resistance and rejected off it pretty hard, right? Let me just put this on here. Start virtual camera. There we go. Okay, afternoon people, afternoon everyone. Congrats on 6k subs. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah, we'll see what we can do today, guys. We're up to the next resistance more and getting in early. So, yep, beautiful, nice little trend line. It's a double bottom.
Yeah.
Continued up. Yeah, so you got in.
Good 4-hour flip. Retest with confirmation candle.
Yeah. Yeah, that worked nicely. Why are these moves happening so fucking early? Jesus Christ. I just
the same as last week.
I literally just opened my chart and I just saw it fucking launching. I was like, oh great, well this is great. Yeah, so we'll take a look then. So yeah, looking like Goldie kind of just rejected that level. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, so I think buys above that level is gonna be kind of nice later on. Let's take a look at how much you'd ride it to. Yeah, to 1865. Ah, it's not a bad little zone. Yeah, that's a really big level, that. So should potentially continue to 1865 right over here. So we just write this on. Let me just write this on. Hope everyone had a really good weekend. I sure did. There we go. There we go. Yes, that should be okay. Let's take a look. So yeah, I mean, if you're looking for potential buys in GJ now, you got to be a little bit cautious because of just how big the lower wicks are. Maybe looking drop it down to the 5-minute time frames. For me, the 15 actually hasn't even closed above this resistance yet, so I'd rather wait a little bit further. But if it does close above, then you're okay to 168.55, and maybe furthermore to 161.300. So there's some kind of big zones still. The Man City game was nail biting. I know, goddamn. I saw it and I was like, oh my god, they need to get some goals over here. 2-0 down. Shit. So yes, buys above 164.5 gonna be nice. Same with gold over here. Let's take a look at AJ. Is AJ not run off yet? Ooh. Okay, so AJ, the daily time frame. Oh shit. Daily time frame is bullish. Broken the high off the previous 2 candles, so looking kind of bullish for the JPY pairs right now. 4-hour time frame is broken the high of the previous, so looking like it's good to continue bullish, at least to these highs over here at 91.152. That should be a nice little target. Look at the hourly time frame. Yeah. Take a look at the hourly time frame. A little bit of resistance here, a little bit of resistance there, which is it's like 20 pips, 30 pips away. But it is looking a little bit choppy. Let's take a look in the 15 minutes. Yeah, so you can see there's a little bit of resistance right where it's at right now. and then that should come up to the previous highs. So yeah, looking interesting, looking like a closure above the right where price is right now could be kind of nice to continue bullish. The let's look at the 5 minute. 5 minute looks like it's making a little bit of support. So is the Leeds game. Yeah, I wanted Leeds to win because I'm moving to Leeds. So I really wanted it. See how it made this untested area pre-London to drop. Yes. Then we came up, never tested it. Fake out the FOREX and it came back down. Oof. And that's because this is that because this candle here. 1 second. It's because these candles here didn't retest this level yet. Yeah. Very nice.
Pops them out every so often.
Yeah.
Just gives you a little target point.
Yeah. Shits them back down a little bit. So yeah, did anyone else try and take these GJ buys? Yeah, you had to go in a little bit earlier here, maybe like 6 o'clock. Yeah.
Yeah, I took some of them a bit earlier because I thought it was a nice shot. If you look on the 1 hourly time frame, it was pretty much that break and retest, which was pretty nice, but lower down.
Yeah, that was nice. Yeah, that was nice. That was pretty good.
159985, and I closed at 165.95 or something like that.
Wow. Wow. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, it's looking like it's good that's respecting here though and chilling about. So that's good as long as it's not pushing completely now. So yeah, the webinar was fire. Well done, session. It was class. Very good. So yeah, we're gonna be patient. But hope everyone has a really good weekend. It was nice for me. It's too good. Let's take a look. I'm surprised Milan did take it. So yeah, we'll see. I have a feeling maybe AJ, to be honest. The only issue is this big wick that's already made. It's like, bro, come on, man. Whereas the GJ one isn't that big. It's still 20 pips. Yeah. Still 20 pipperoonies, right? Going in for sells in GJ? Ooh, sells? Why would you want to go for sells, my man? Sells? Hell no. Sells? Hell no. I don't think so about that, to be honest with you. I have a feeling we're still going to continue bullish. If this 50-minute closes bearish, what do you think about the 50-minute salary play? Nah, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait until London. I don't want to rush into this when there's big ass candles because the stops are huge. I'm not going to get caught out this week. I'm not doing it. I am having a beautiful win rate this week. I am chilling about, only waiting for setups that I'm so beautifully happy about. And right now, I think maybe the entry was here, and now I've missed the move. So now if I try to get in here, I know in the back of my mind I'm trying to get into FOMO, and you know, price can just retrace back to here to then continue up later on. So I'm gonna chill out until 8 o'clock probably, but we'll see the crack. We'll see the crack. The zone to the next resistance is 36 pips. So yeah, it's nice. It's just how to get in, right? 50-minute time frames closing in 3 minutes time. Got 40 pips in the clean candle on GG to the upside. GG sells would be crazy. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, GG sells would be a little bit crazy, I think, for people over here. Yeah. So yeah, beautiful guys. We'll see what the score is. Let's see, look over here. So yeah, I went through the trades last week. Oh my god, it was very nice. Very nice to look at. A lot of entries could get in a lot earlier, which gives you such a good R to R. So yeah, good things you're looking at. Buy stop of the high of what? AJ? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, boy. You get a buy to let in Leeds. No, I'm just moving into a rented, but I've got my buy to let is in Newcastle. Yeah. So 2 minutes time, looking like GJ's going to close probably bearish over here with a big rejection wick. So yeah, it's a hard one, man. It's overall very, very bullish. I would not want to be taking any sells, but it could just pull down for quite a while and then start ripping up later on. I'm just trying to find what the news was. Let's take a look over here because that was kind of random. A 50-minute candle doesn't run 55 pips without any news. Wow, nothing. Nothing here at the moment. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. So yeah, looking like we're gonna close here. Pack up. Wow, that flipped up a lot. See what I mean though? Like, you know, if you go for sells there, now you're down 9 pips. It's just, you know, when there's bigger candles, if you don't get the bigger, if you didn't get the move up down here, now you're playing with bigger candles. So stops can be, you know, huge. It's not too not too good, right? Not too good, right? So yeah, gotta wait out. Let's take a look at some questions, guys. Also, guys, Magic Keys giveaway this week is going to be given to the people who do the best charts. So send me a chart to Discord. I'm going to take a look. I want the best charts, and I will give them to you. GJ 1 minute made descending triangle. 1 minute time frame is a very, very low time frame, right? So you should just chill out over here. Biden will reduce traffic in China. Oh shit. Oh shit. So looking like we're continuing up over here. Very nice. And we'll see what the score is. Most of the people do it wrong, do opposite. Ah, yes. Okay, so GJ's closed bullish. Got the 5 minute time frame over here. Interesting. This is the retest now on this little previous 5 minute resistance. Still look at the 15. There's no top wick on the previous 15. No top wick on the previous 15. Stop loss would be around about how long? 22 pips? Yeah, 20 pips. So interesting. 50-minute also closed bullish above. Yeah, that's kind of nice. How much would the... Let's take a look on the 5 on the AJ. Yeah, gonna be interesting. Let's take a look at this 15. The 15 does look kind of nice, I'm not gonna lie. The only thing you gotta be worried about is where is your stop gonna be. So if you got in right now, stop loss below would be 10 pips. That's not too bad actually. Anyone looking at the retest here? The thing is that I can't really see a retest in the 5. Would it be down there? GJ's flipped over here, should continue bullish. If it breaks that high over here, it should continue a lot more bullish over here, which would be nice. AJ looking like it's probably going to continue as well. So how much would the stop be right now? Yeah, 14 pips. A little bit too big, so maybe on the bottom wick flip there, that could have been kind of nice. Biden considering reducing traffic to China. Yeah, wow, that must be it then. Shit. Yeah, that must be it. So this hasn't flipped yet. Still look at the 15. Yeah, so GJ looking like it's kind of chilling. I kind of like the AJ. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of like the AJ, but I don't really want my stop just here, to be honest. I'd want it below the previous candle. So we'll see. Let's see if this continues. 30-minute time frame has got 12 minutes left to fill this range up. The range is actually big enough, you know. The range isn't too bad. The range isn't too shabby. Sash, what do you think about that 15 on AJ there? Alright.
Time to just go down.
The only thing is, on the 5-minute, it didn't really. I suppose it. Nah. So now it's got the flip, should continue bullish over here. GJ looking like it kind of did. Nice. That worked out nicely. Well done, well done. Sheesh. You got in on the flip, boy. So AJ's flipped, broken the high of the previous, should fill this wick, and then put stop loss to break even on the wick, and then see how far it could push in that area, I think. That'll be nice. Yeah, Finny boy in the background of Discord. Let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, looking like GJ's pushing off there nicely. So how much would the stops been in the previous 19? Current would have been 6 pips. 6 pipperoonies. Go on AJ. Go on AJ. Push up. Push up, boy. Push up, boy. Take a look here. I appreciate you let me know when to pull, lol. 10 pips secured on GJ, well done, very nice. Yeah, so did you get in on the lower wick or did you get in on the flip, and then did you use current candle stops maybe? 6 pips, that could have been alright. Yeah, very nice. Tom, so how did you get in then? Where was your stop, my man? Here? Stops on current, wow. 6 pepperoonies. Yeah, same here. I don't really like that no top wick there, to be honest. Looking at Goldie starting to reject them levels, kind of hard. Let's look at the hourly time frame. Yeah, if this hourly closes bearish, it's going to be interesting. 169.98 rejection. What are you talking about, Sashin? It's all the way up there. What you talking about? Oh, for the hourly. Okay, yeah. I was thinking, yeah. Let's take a look on the hourly. Nah, you can see it kind of nicely on the 15 there, actually. Yeah, you're right. Little bit of rejections there and there. But nice for people who got in there. That's pretty nice. Biden's going to screw the market today. Oh, God. Oh, God, no. I don't know why is gold... Has gold been going up for the past couple hours? Yeah, it has, to be fair. So looking like GJ worked. Did AJ work on the flip? No. So I'm trying to think of how they got in on that low wick there, because I had no top wick. It was retesting. I mean, it did retest the previous the previous 5-minute area, but then how much would your stops be? 9 pips is not too bad, actually. 9 pips isn't too bad. Let me do this over here. So yeah, looking for Baden is going to screw the market today. Yeah, man, we'll see. Gold has no hour top wick. Oh shit. For me, it doesn't actually. I agree, but that's kind of a big rejection wick though, right, on the hourly time frame. this was the same setup as that gold on webinar, AJ and GJ. Which one's sashing?
Check, gone to Asia is clear actually. See that? You see it? This candle close inside the wick. Next one filled the wick.
Yeah.
Then rejected.
Oh
just
yeah,
pushed it
like
really good.
gold. Yeah. I think if the 5 minute looked a little bit cleaner for where it was going to tap, it would be nice, but it didn't really do anything for me. Because it didn't have a top wick, so I knew the probability is going to make one. The stop loss would have been around about 9 pips in the previous, so yeah, that's kind of nice. Just made 3%, that's me done for the day. Jeez! Congratulate to all the Aussies on the new Prime Minister. Have they got a new one?
Yeah, we're fucked.
Oh, really?
We're fucked now. We're in.
I thought you were already
taxes about
fucked.
to go through the roof.
Again?
Yeah,
Wow.
and I went into recession.
Nice. Nice.
Whoever said congrats, no. It should say bad luck, motherfucker.
That's funny. Australia is done for it's over. Oh shit. Yeah, some people are not happy with that. Shit, boy. So yeah, I think potentially at 8 o'clock. I mean, maybe more of a little push over here, but that was kind of nice. I mean, that 50-minute closing bullish there was okay. 6 pip stop for a 18 pip gain. That was nice. For me though, I'm not doing these little tiny little ass wicks because my percentage win rate goes down dramatically. So yeah, I'm gonna chill. Gold has not really done anything yet in the past couple of minutes. It's kind of been just rejecting that level at 1858, and now it's just sitting around 1855. The hourly still has no top wick, so yeah, I'm gonna wait. China. Wait, Ron, are you from Australia? Ah, nice. The 30-minute on GG also looked nice for an entry. 30-minute, really? How could you get in on the 30? Just up the road from Finn. Ah, nice. I don't think there was any entry in GG in the 30-minute, really. The 30-minute didn't close above. It kind of just pushed. Lucky man. Let's take a look over here. Well, at least here in America, we finally threw Trump out of office, thank goodness. Ooh. Why didn't you take GBPJPYs of the closure? Because the fact that the bottom wick was only 6 pips, we've already pushed up a lot. And recently, when I take impulse trades like that, I've lost them. So I'm chilling out, only waiting for a nice setup that I can confidently put in. I'm not risking the end of this month with shitty ass trades. I'm just gonna wait for clear setups, and that's all I'm waiting for. Let's take a look over here. I'm surprised the Oz dollar is still going up, getting ready for inflation and low value currency. Yeah, it's just all manipulated, isn't it? All manipulated, man. Yeah, people in the membership on Friday we're gonna be going through the homework Friday. Okay, let's take a look over here. Some chart works, very nice. Okay, so this is gold on the 30-minute. Okay, buys above 118.57. That looks pretty nice. Yeah, that's where I've got my buy on. Sells below 1847. Yeah, closure back in the zone would be kind of nice to fill the zone up. That would be pretty nice. I would like that. Yeah, it's like a 100 pip zone to come back in that area, so it should be pretty nice. Me gusta. This is GJ avoiding this choppy area. Yeah, I think that was pretty nasty in that area. Looking like it's pushed up in this area though, above that 4-hour flip, and now we've obviously just fucking rocketed. So nice. On ICM, I also closed above resistance. Ah, well. Fortunately, mine didn't. Unfortunately. Okay, so 50-minute over here is rejecting, so hopefully you took your profits here, guys, and didn't hold on too much. Same with AJ. Looking like gold is starting to reject kind of hard. Yeah, interesting to see what will happen over here then. Because if this 745 candle closes bearish and we get some rejection, man, I'm selling this motherfucker. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see in these next candles. Look at this 50-minute closing, very, very strong bearish. Close 28 pips in GJ. Also, good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. My chart work is getting better each day. Well done. Yeah, you put some work in, you know. Thinking of sells 2 on GJ for soup, yeah. Yeah, maybe. Take a look at the flower time frame. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, if these next 2 candles, for me, this candle closes bearish, this would be the 730 candle. And 730, 745, closing like that. Next one going, BOOMF! Would be kind of nice. Would be kind of nice. Daniel Savage is live. Oh, nice. Very nice. Yeah. Should come back down then to 161.92. Would be kind of nice, right? Theoretically, with that momentum, it should really have pushed up here. So we'll see. We'll see the next couple of candles. You'd wait for 8 o'clock though, right, Brian? I'd wait for at least this 15 closure, this next 30 closure.
Yeah, now you need to wait for the volume, right?
Yeah.
Because otherwise you could get trapped.
Oh yes.
So you need confirmation, and now you need the volume, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yo, anyone know how to force higher quality on Zoom like 1080p? Oh, I have no idea. I have no idea. I have to go in your settings, something like that. The settings. Stop Loss Matters is also live. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm being a bit more reserved because, you know, at the moment, the London session, I'm going to be chilling a little bit this month. Not the best, so I'm going to be waiting for some clear-ass setups. So 50-minute close bearish, very, very nice. Broken the lows already, so looking interesting. If this next 15 closes, or next 30-minute closes, damn, it's going to be interesting. 30-minute close didn't close above, holy shit. So, very interesting. What we're saying over here is that this 50-minute time frame, it hasn't retested. So normally when price pushes up, it only has a retest. The retest would be, you know, 185. We haven't done that yet, so we should potentially continue down here to 185. But I'm gonna wait until 8 o'clock really. So we'll see about that. AJ's closed very, very nice. Oh, the AJ closed bearish as well. Yeah, interesting. $25 pips in the previous high. Oh, Sash, you see a little 5-minute retracement. The only issue you have for this one, right, is that the stops are too big. Yeah. So it's retesting right now on the 5-minute. Your stop loss on the previous still 17 pips.
Have this as well. I don't know if it's just done actually. Right? No, it's alright.
Yeah. So if I put my little yellow line on, I buy it on the wicks of the body. We'll see later on if it taps there. But yeah, it's only a very closure. So how is gold? How is gold spreads? 3 pips of my FOREX funds. Oh, you guys need to complain about that shit, man. That's way too big. What the fuck? Mine's 1 pip, 1.2 pips. 1 pipperoonie. If we push back below 200 on GG, are you still looking for buys? Nope. No. Don't think so. I'll get rid of this now, but we know what we're looking for. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. This next 50-minute candle should continue down over here. That 5 minutes been a nice ass closure, to be honest. Anyone looking at this trying to get in maybe a little bit earlier? My issues is the stop is kind of hard to find, right? Stop is kind of hard to find. So there we go. GJ coming back up. So we'll see over here if this starts to make some nice resistance. I know someone's looking to get in. Yeah. I got the retest in the 5-minute max. Yeah, I know. How much should stops be right now on there? 10 pips, yeah. Are you trying to get in now, Bri? I thought you were going to wait for the 30.
No, I'm just waiting to see what it's building up, so I'm still waiting. But
Yeah.
I'm waiting patiently. I'm not really watching AJ. Just to see what these candles are doing.
Yeah. AJ. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame now. Yes, the hourly's still at 26 minutes left. You know, this could reflip and continue in the area. You don't know about that, so there's no need to rush in the sells yet, I'd say. When you stop being worried if it breaks that low there, it's probably going to go. We'll see. So as we said, GJ's coming back up, but like, you know, this is what we're going to see. We can either see if it's going to reject, continue back down. $597.
They are still pretty bullish.
Yeah.
That's how I got it. I had a story telling me we're going up.
Yeah.
So we need some more confirmation on ourselves. To be honest.
Agreed. Agreed. I'll just wait for the hourly closure. Trading less has ironically made me more profitable. Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, 100%. It's not ironic.
Yeah. The less trading you do, the more profitable you are. Pretty much, yeah. Pretty much. So 10 minutes left of this 15. You know, it's looking pretty nice, right? But you know, the 30-minute hourly still bullish. You know, this can, if it wants to continue, still bullish. You gotta like relax a little bit over here. You gotta relax a little bit, yeah. 48 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream up. Positive vibes over here every single day. And yeah, I'm gonna be focusing on giving the best trades to you guys and not rushing into anything. So yeah, we'll chill. Let's take a look at GJ. Still pushing up. Gold is below that 4-hour level again, which is, yeah, there's some wicks here though, which is a little bit hard. That's where the resistance, sorry, that's where the big ass support is. So it's there right now. I wouldn't want to rush into that too much. 5-minute close bullish. This is the 5-minute retracement. Oh my god. So I would have got in about there. So I'd have to take in like 3 pips drawdown. It's not too bad. If you got in on the flip over here, stop loss is going to be 11 pips. Yeah. I think for me, I'm going to wait a little bit longer over here. Because as I said, this hourly time frame is still open. Still got 23 minutes left. It can do whatever it wants. Probably best to wait for a bearish closure like this one, like this one, like this one. And then the next ones will follow, right? Much easier. Yeah, I think when you start seeing like the less trades you take and the more profitable you are, man, it helps a lot. Helps a lot. Makes life a lot easier, right? Makes life a lot easier. Might get on this AJ break. Go for it, yeah. I think 8 minutes left. Could be pretty nice. I'm just gonna wait a little longer, I think, for me. Just a tad little longer. Yeah, Sasha was saying that before. A little bit of a resistance to the left could be a little cause of concern. Little cause for concern.
This is the one of the issues with it. Right? If you flick on the 5, you'll see that we done 2, right? So we left this one for shorts. We also left this one for longs. See?
Yeah.
So there's 2 contradicting. When they're like that, it's harder to
get the direction.
Yeah. So you don't know. So it's like it could go this way. It could retest this and go down. It could retest that and go up.
Then you should revert back to high time frame.
Yeah. So it's like it just once it has like 2 of these contradicting, it's like forget about it and just we'll just look.
Yeah.
We just look for the overall.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
But can you see now that like, say if this 15 closes like this, on the 15, it's like it'd be like a weird candle, right? It's like a big bearish and then big bullish, but then we've got the reasons why now, so it's a bit less, scary.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, for sure. Exactly. Let's take a look at the chart over here. Max, what's wrong with your win rate? Is the culprit you or the market? I think a bit of both, man. A bit of both. Like, if you take a look here, let's take a look. Yeah, just the entries I've been doing this month have not been working so well. But I mean, the win rate is still. Let's take a look over here. Did I delete that one? Yeah, I did. So the win rate is still 63%. So yeah, a little bit less than before, than the past one, which was 77. But overall, I'm still happy with it. Very, very happy with it. I know what I've done wrong in some of my entries, and we're learning as a group when markets are a little bit tougher or where entries are a little bit harder, how can we get in a little bit nicer? And that's what we've focused on in this past week, and that's what we're going to put into this week. So yeah. Yeah, we went through last night of some of my entries yesterday, last week, and some of the entries getting in a little bit earlier. And damn, like one of them, the gold trade, I got 0.84% of what I actually got. But if you got in a little bit earlier on, we would have got around about 3.2% on that trade. So just for getting in a tiny bit higher up, because your runner stays in, your runners hold on for a lot longer because you're in such a nicer position. So yeah. GG, only if it closes above 800, I think now it's retesting major resistance area. Yeah, I agree. I'm not gonna rush into that at all. I also agree. Max is adapting to market conditions. Exactly, man. That's what you're gonna do. There's no point sitting here. If you take a look at Daniel Savage or someone like that, or Dr. Dollar, they're also experiencing like their entries aren't working. So what you got to do is you got to adapt, and you've got to look at where you went wrong. But yeah, so still for me, I'm up around about 6 or 7% this month, which is still pretty good. But yeah, if the last 2 weeks I didn't take any of them silly trades, still would be up around about 12%. So yeah, I'm just chilling for the time being. Okay, so this 4-hour time frame is still rejected, which is kind of interesting. Where did it reject at? 1858. Oof. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Very nice. I don't have any. Max, any thoughts to change the 30-minute time frame in the back of your mind? Any thoughts to change to 30-minute time frame? I look at all of them, my man. Half my trades I take on the 30-minute. Yeah, I look at 15:30 hourly. I look at all of them, right? Also, people who are new here, make sure to go check the Instagram where I posted a little backtesting clip, which is really, really good, informative. So yeah, make sure you go check that out. So for me, yeah, it's just tapping these areas here on the left hand side. That's my cause for concern. So here, here, and here, which is where you'd be coming up to there. So for runners, if you got in a little bit earlier, like down there, you should be good. But here now, I'm not going to be FOMOing this at all. Hell no. I think 5 minute and 50 minute are really hard to trade. Candles are really choppy. 30 minute and above are clearer for sure. Right now, for sure. But it just changed with cycles, right? Oh, AJ. 2 minutes left for this 15 close. 30 minutes still there. Yeah, so probably gonna wait now for this 30 to close. Yeah, interesting. Max, if I built your website, would you consider using it? For sure. For sure, if you can make a good ass one, yeah. For sure I could. That'd be sick. Yeah, make sure to run up them likes, guys. We'll see what we can get for London Open in a while. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Let's take a look. This is Brian on the 4-hour time frame. Still in this descending trend, yeah.
Still in it. That's what I'm saying. I think because of that resistance, there could be an issue there. That's why I'm saying I'm eyeing sells if we get the rejection signs.
Yeah.
The high time frame is telling us we're rejecting, right? But there's still bullish trend inside that channel, so it's a bit of a issue.
Yeah.
But just be patient.
Agreed. I think jumping in on this bull. Did anyone try and jump in after this big push here on GG or AJ? And how did it go? You know, I always just say now if the push is here and you can see the push and how you could have got in there, you probably missed the move. So just chill out. You should be good. You should be good. The issue you have is when you're jumping in, right? Which is more profitable for you, NY or London? It really depends on each month. For example, last month it was London. This month it's definitely NY. Pretty much every single time I take a losing trade on London here, so taking 5 straight after I take a win in NY. So yeah. Yeah, exactly, Vince. I entered it on the minute 1 and got my 28 pips. Oh my god. The 1 minute, sheesh. Damn. So 50-minute time frames have closed bullish and bullish. Okay, so yeah, not too looking good for the sells yet. Still got 14 minutes left for this 30 minutes to close bearish. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, you can see that little trend that we're talking about there. Let's take a look over here. Is it from these highs there?
Previous highs, the higher high.
Yeah, yeah. There.
Yeah.
Oh shit, my line.
Yeah, that's it. And then there's one at the bottom.
And there's one at the bottom.
Current, and then you got the current bullish trend, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's all good. It's all good.
Yeah. What is your educational qualification, Maxi? Maths with finance. Oh yeah. Maths with finance. Easy work. Easy work. Do you have any other people in the mentorship who did maths? Anyone do maths at uni here?
No.
No one. No one did maths at uni. Man, there must be.
Just use a calculator.
Just use a calculator. Bro, half of the maths at uni I didn't use a calculator for because all them fucking letters.
Exactly. That's why you don't need it.
Nice, maths and stats. Yeah, me too, me too.
Man, I think I stopped at integration.
Yeah. Integration, yeah. So integration, that was integration was
basically the opposite of differentiation.
No, I
so-
know, yeah. I know what it is, but I'm saying I
Yeah, obviously.
I started it. I think I did it in I was A level. That was first year A level, so I was 17 doing that, 16 doing that maybe. Yeah. Yeah. To be honest with you, when I went to uni with stuff like that, it's kind of the same shit. To be honest with you. Integration is my favorite. Differentiation as well. Yeah. Which university? Newcastle. Bi-part integration. Oh, mate, some of them in the papers are fucking rock hard. Oh, they're annoying. Oh, the 30. Wait, look at that previous 30. Yeah. Yeah, I'd be very cautious with these buys, man. And looking like they could potentially push up a nice 10 pips, but the way to get in and the way your stops are gonna be, it's just not ideal, right?
Remember what I said about buying an empty wick?
Yeah.
So the wick could fill, but then it could reject hard, right?
Yeah.
So
Facts.
I like it when the doji is nice and small, because then you can disrespect either way, you know what I mean? And then you've got a tight stop.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So we've got 332 viewers on right now. Let's take a look. Is Mr. Savage coming up over here? Let's take a look. See who else is streaming today. I think he is. I think I saw it just before I went off. Yeah. So 473. We got 323. Sheesh. Man, man's booming. Man's booming. So yeah, we'll see what we can find. I was on the opposite move of that of that move, and I got punched. Ooh, what? You got in GJ cells down here? Oh no. Oh, someone said, what was that thing? I did film because I don't have a future, and my dad is disappointed at me. Wait, what? I did film because I don't have a future. What do you mean you did film and now you don't have a future, or you did film because you didn't have a future? That doesn't make any sense. Bro, if I could go back to uni and do a degree that I didn't really care, like, well that I would actually be passionate about, it would either be marine biology, but I'd have to go to like fucking Australia and do it properly, or I'd do filming stuff, film and like like camera shit. Yeah, that's what I would do. I didn't do maths because I liked it. I mean, I did, I didn't mind it. I thought it was like, kind of fun and shit, but like I would never like pick it just on my own half. I just did it because my dad says, maths is gonna help you out, right? He said at school, as you need to be good at your maths and sciences. He says, I don't give a fuck about English as long as you pass them. So yeah. He said English is useless later on, so I was like, okay, great. And I'm glad because I fucking hated English at school. Jesus Christ. Most boring, most useless thing I could ever possibly think about. English language was a piece of shit. It's fucking painful. So 9 minutes left. Yeah, it's interesting, man. It's hard to decide where it's gonna go. It's like, ooh. Still looks bullish though, right? So. Oh yeah. How is MS Computer Science in London, your opinion? I have no idea in London. Do you choose your bias based on the daily, 4 hour, or 1 hour? All of them, I do it on all of them. There's no need to just use one. We have 3 languages, bro. English, Afrikaans, and you could choose... What the fuck is that one? Max, you shouldn't hold back your feelings about English. Tell me how you really feel. Every single time I walked into that English room, the lesson felt like fucking 5 hours instead of 1. We spoke in class about why this picture was put in this newspaper, for what reasons. Maybe because they're talking about a burger and they had a burger on the fucking slide. Like, no, Max, you're wrong. Because the burger was juicy and it made it look like made you enjoy the reading more, and it looked all colourful and nice and greasy for the health. And oh my, shut the fuck up. I despise it with every single bone in my body. Like fucking, what's it called? Romeo and Juliet. Oh my god. Please give me a break. 7 minutes left for this closure on Goldie as well. No top wick. Interesting. Very interesting.
Max,
What?
listen to Rosha and Brian. Like, the thing is this, like we could choose, like obviously English and Afrikaans was like mandatory
Yeah.
by us in South Africa. But like the other language that they also give you is not even like beneficial, man. Like it won't assist you anywhere in the world apart from here in South Africa. And like what I was just saying, there's so many clicks in it, like
Oh, really?
crazy, man. So many clicks, bro.
Yeah, so this is what I looked at as well. This used to cause so many arguments at school. Oh my god. I used to rinse like some lasses or whatever who were like doing these degrees and like, no, mine's good, and I just fucking rinse them. But yeah, this was done a couple of years ago, to be fair now, but it'll be the same shit, right? So, medicine, dentistry, economics, maths, and then just goes down in the pecking order, right? This is average, right? I don't know why they fucking put this on, but I'm not gonna get into an argument about this, but that's just so fucking stupid. What else? How much are graduates paying on student loans? That's a good one. Apparently 70-something% don't pay it. Oh my god. That's mad. 70%. Oh shit. Yeah, I was like, how the fuck do you pronounce that? So looking like GG is going to close bullish. Very, very nice. Maybe to potentially continue now, but for me, there's nothing, right? We're coming towards the resistance on the, the rejections on the hourly time frames right there. It's not too far away. I'm just going to leave it out. What's your plan on GG? I'm going to watch it. I'm going to watch it fly. I predict it's going to fly now because it's rejected that level. It should have closed below. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we can do. Shakespeare is the best. Max, do you think you'll eventually become a swing trader? Hell no. Ugh, I feel sick. Vincent's gonna come in the chat. Nah, I don't. Swing trading, you have to be looking at the charts every 4 hours. I'd rather just trade for 4 hours and then have my rest of my day in peace. I'd rather not hold a trade on for fucking 3 days and then one news event just wipes out and I hit break even. Every swing trade has 100 pip stops and like a 300 pip gain. It's only 1 to 3. We got 1 to 3s on our backtesting simulation last week in a 30-minute candle. So yeah. Why are you not taking a trade? I just don't like the area it's in, man. I wanted to push here. I put the weekly outlook last night here, and I talked about breaking above 160 here. This is the trade I wanted. Fortunately, there was no entry when I started looking because it already pushed, and now it's just fucking around in this area. So yeah. From now on, to the end of this month, I am getting my win rate up. So I am looking for trade entries that are 100% gonna give me some mullah. Okay. So anything a little bit risky, which is most of this month, which I've been trying to get in impulsively, I'm just gonna leave it out now. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, and it's start of the week as well, guys. Chill your beans out, man. But it's going to be interesting to see, right? It's going to be interesting to see with GJ if it's going to continue. 50 minutes going to close. But as I say, this little zone it's made now is not too nice, right? I can't hear you clearly. Oh, sorry. Let me just... is this a little bit too loud? Oh, that's not bad. Did you hear me now? It should be okay now. Maybe a
It's
little
alright, soon.
bit. Yeah. Thing is though, when I shout as well, I don't want to like ear rape you, so yeah. So let's take a look at AJ as well. Yeah, kind of the same story. We'll see. I'm very intrigued to see over here, but I don't see anything clear, so if there's nothing clear, I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it, man. I'm getting my win rate up in this bitch. Yeah, most of these trades here, we're just trying to get in impulsively when we pushed hard. So I am getting rid of that, right? 9.78%. Yeah, I gotta fix some of these though. These aren't right, so yeah, I'll show you how I'm gonna fix these because that's not right. That's right. Yeah, I'm gonna fix some of these because I closed 80% there, and then the rest hit break even, I think. So I have to change that up. Next month is gonna be proper. So you'll get exactly every single time how much percentage I make. So 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. We'll see. But if nothing's clear, if you can't see an actual clear direction of what's gonna do, what price is gonna do over here, then I just relax. Looking like GJ maybe. Oh my god, if this closes back below again, oh my god. Oh my god, the 15 is gonna close bearish. No. Dude. The 15 is gonna close bearish, boy. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Let's get 100 likes before 8 o'clock. 100 likes already. 100 likes in the building. Run up them likes, boy. So looking like gold over here. Wow, I mean, it hasn't actually moved that much at all, but the hourly time frame is going to close bearish. Yeah, hourly is going to close bearish. Interesting. 30 minutes also going to close bearish, and 15 is also going to close bearish. Yeah, kind of interesting to see where gold will continue to be honest. Yeah. Okay. So, we have closed over here, looking like the 15 closed bullish, the 30-minute closed bullish, the hourly closed bullish. So yeah, we'll see. Ooh, AJ closed bearish in the 15-minute, 30-minute closed bullish. Nothing too strong, right? Look at these rejection wicks. Ah. So if this next 50-minute candle on GJ closes bearish below, oh my god, oh my god. Already broken the low of the previous 50-minute time frame. 30 minutes coming down. Yeah, I just had a feeling that these sells were going to come into fruition over here. So, what do we think then, guys? You're going to wait for this next 15 bearish closure?
Yeah, 15 under this.
Yeah.
And then
It's nice double top. So now we just need the candle confirmation.
So right, let's take a look over here. So if we could see this next candle closing bearish, this next one making a top wick here, we're gonna look for a retest basically at that support, with stop loss above there maybe. 1 second.
I like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah. Agreed. So we've already got what we wanted to look for, right? 1 hour wick. AJ 50-minute buy at the flip. No, man. Nah. Look at the 30-minute. Look at these rejection wicks. This should be pushing. This should have closed bullish. For me, it's not enough. But if you feel comfortable with it, then fair enough. But let's just take a look, right? When we look at hourly time frames, right? Let's take a look at these, right? This example. What happens when you get these rejection wicks to the low? Well, we push up, right? What happens when you get these rejection wicks to the high? Well, we push down, right? So, for me, those rejection wicks at the top would not be sufficient.
I'm actually looking at fucking gold.
For what? A sell? Jason. Yeah, hourly close bearish, making a top wick. Stop on the previous hourly would be fucking 30 pips. It's not too bad. 18 on the current top wick.
There you go, Maxi.
Money. Money zone.
So I'm literally just waiting on a closure. That's
Yeah. And the 5.
on the 5, yeah, so 2 minutes.
2 more minutes.
So we're rejecting that 4-hour flip. So if we close below that dynamic support, I might write it down to the daily flip.
Yeah, that's the,
I
my
think we can replace that daily flip.
yeah, my only issue with it is this area here. That's my only thing that would probably put me off, just because it's rejected there quite hard. But yeah, I mean, that hourly closing bearish is nice, man.
Yeah, and also I'll be break even then, eh? So it's fine.
Yeah, that's true. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah. What do you think about GBP AUD? Send me a chart, man. I'll take a look at it. What do you think about it? You send me a chart and see what you think, and then I'll I'll see what the crack is. So yeah, looking over here, looking like it's struggling. So just be careful, right? Just really be careful, because, you know, I get caught in it sometimes as well. When you get the nice drive up, don't think that this is just gonna fly all the way, you know, even further, and you're taking some buys here and you've just taken 3 losses now. You're like, man, I've just taken 3 losses. Why didn't I just, you know, try and get this move? If I've missed this move out and I've came to the charts here, you know, why don't I just leave until, you know, a really good clear setup comes out, maybe later on, you know? Getting in these areas was beautiful, looked like it worked out nicely, but the acknowledgement that you need to show when price has already done the move that you wanted, you've got to just go, you know what, that's fair enough, I missed it. So now what I'm waiting for here is either GJ to come higher up above the resistance, or I'm waiting for some sells below if you get some strong rejections, okay? Max, did you check Raj's last stream? No. What was Raj's last stream?
You should really check.
Oh,
No, it's not about the headset. I was gonna say you should see the last 15 minutes of the stream, because Ted comes on and he talks about the COMEX Open, which is at 8:15, and that moves all the indexes and stuff like that. And apparently, he has been getting a lot of moves exactly at that time, at 8:15. And Raja even talks about it, calling it the TED Comics strategy, which is at 8:15 in the morning.
8:15 UK time.
No, 8:15 New York.
Ah, okay. Well, that's what I see with the with London, right? Not London, gold, right? When we backtest, you see 8:15 normally gives it the push.
Exactly.
We saw that. Yeah.
He opened, and Raja goes to a website, which is the website that Ted goes through exactly at that time. And what I understand, if the market it's bullish overall, then that means that gold will push down at 8:30. So you should really check it. It's the last 15 minutes of the stream.
Yeah, I'll
and
take
if
a
you
look
want,
at it.
go to the 22 minutes of the initial stream, and you'll see Raja have a nice blowout.
Mr. Raja. So looking like it's really rejecting, right? It's struggling to continue up, right? So yeah, interesting. Interesting. Yeah, I'll definitely go watch that for sure. For sure. Here we go. So yeah, we'll see with this closure, man. See with this closure. Retest could be nice, yeah. I'm eyeing sells of this closure. Yeah, me too. Me too, man. The only thing for the retest is where would it be, right? I mean, this hasn't retested actually. This is just continuing down. So would it be? The thing is, though, would it be there at 444? Would it be there at 466? Or would it be there at 528? All right. Depends where it closes. Yeah. 7 minutes left. Oof, got a lot of time to hold on, unfortunately. No. You chill out, boy. You chill out for 7 minutes time. Yeah, I just had a funny feeling about them. So hourly's broken the low of the previous. Very, very nice. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Selling? Yeah, man. If this closes, we're getting some big ass rejections. We've broken about below the previous hourly lows. Yeah. I just don't know where the retest would be, so I might have to just get in on the flip. We'll see, though. We'll see. We'll see where it is. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Jason. He's waiting for that 15. 30-minute break below the previous. The hourly's flipped. This is what we'd want to continue to drive down now, yeah. Looking nice. Looking nice, to be honest with you. 30-minute time frame looking like it should push down, boy. So if you got in on that flip, which I was talking about, that's 18 pips. For a 40 pip gain, maybe, if it comes to the lows. That would be kind of nice. Looking like AJ and GJ have wicked back up. That's fine. We've got to wait patiently for it. Maybe not this 15, you know. Maybe the next 30, right? Those rejection wicks in the previous level are nice, right? This should theoretically continue down pretty nicely. Trap City Monday. Are you liking this gold, Sasha or Brian? Or Brian, do you still look at gold or not?
Very little, yeah.
Yeah, so let me just do some little bit more chart work here. So this is the level I'm struggling on, right? This zone from here to here could be nice.
Yeah, I'm caution of these as well. You know, those wicks.
Yeah.
In the 15, those are nasty.
Yeah.
All of that.
It's a bit nasty. It's not too nice, eh?
GJ's playing with people, so is AJ.
Yeah. Along an AU. Ooh, nice, Ronnie. Send us a chart, is it? Yeah, so who's taking some trades this morning? Come on. Up to it, and we can talk about them, right? This is the best thing to do, man. So why did you get into some trades early on? You know, did you take any sells? Did you take any buys? For me, nothing's really formed yet, right? You just got to be patient. Patience. It's the patience game. 0 trades. Very, very nice. I got into GJ buys. Or when?
It's going back down again.
My God. Holy shit.
You see what's happened now on the 5 minute, 3 minutes. It's done the top of retest, so now we just look at the lower one now.
Yeah, 444.
So is that? Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
If it closes.
But where the stop's gonna be though, man?
Oh no, it's huge. You can't just say that's where the line.
Yeah. I'd probably want this next candle to make a top wick and then break the lows, maybe. Cause that'd be 450 there. Yeah. I know. Brian likes getting in the flip for the sells, right? Flipperoo. Well, that retracement there was kind of nice now because now we've got a really good Confirmation that it is rejecting it, boy. I bought GJ in the morning. Oh, nice. Very nice. Look at that 5 minute. Just wicking people out. Wicking people out, boy. Oh, chill out, GJ. Fucking hell, man. Dude, your background music is making me sleep again. Oh, yeah. If you find some better ones, send me them through, the copyright ones. Yeah. Take a look at the 5 minute. Yeah, it's looking nice, man. What do you consider current 5 minutes top as stop loss if price comes back and tests the area? Well, like here, 565. Yeah, but still the stops are massive, right? I think I may just get it on the top wick. Hopefully the top wick comes up to here, which would be like 450.
No, that is my question.
Oh, right, yeah.
Comes back,
Yeah.
and then if we have an entry on that 5 minute retest, the stop loss on current 5, I mean, yeah, it would be like 13 pips.
Well, if you got in there, wait a second. If you got in there, yeah, it's fucking massive. It's a bit too big, man. Will you sell if it closes like that? We'll see. We'll see. I need this top wick though. If so, then yeah, probably, boy. It's looking like it may. I mean, the thing is with sells is that normally they do making some nice ass top wicks, so we've got to see over here. This could be a nice trade to hold it on as well because the zone is huge, so yeah, we'll see how that pushes off. Okay, so we have opened 324 is the flip. Thing is though, Bri, if you get in this retest, where would your stops be?
The stops are too big in this case.
Yeah, I agree.
They're huge.
Off the bat, you can see it. You don't even have to do it that count.
Yeah, they're fucking massive.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at AJ. AJ closed right at a little support over here. 30 minute. Broken the low of the previous though, which is nice. Yeah, so 435, like back then, the flip, I think I'm gonna probably enter that because the 15's closed nice strong. It should theoretically continue bearish now. So we'll see. I don't know if we're gonna get it though. We'll see because it's already kind of retested it fucking 15 times. You saw it before. We saw it before, boy. That wick there. We'll see. A lot of the time in the candle though. Bro, look at the 4 hour. I don't think this will retrace too much. Yeah, we'll see. Do you trade your own?
You see it?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Seen the 4 hour? Yeah, the 4 hour is still bullish, you know. That's fine. We'll see, we'll see. I don't like it, it's broken the low already. Yeah, kind of sucks. Market is choppy, man. Can't even decide what to do exactly. So that's your... That's when you've got to think to yourself, you know what, I'm just going to chill out over here. I'm going to chill out. Are you going to wait for the 30-minute close? Yeah, potentially. It looks like this may run off over here. I have a feeling. Like to look at the 5 minutes, yeah. But there's no entry for me. There we go. Gets the drive. Bye-bye, GJ. Come and join Naz class and see how choppy. Maybe if AJ over here closes below, then hourly has nearly broken the low of the previous hourly. Nearly. Oof. Yeah, we'll see. If it's not looking perfect, then I may just wait for this 30-minute, right? So what we're worried about is that price just tapped 280, which is the previous resistance here, could make some support, so yeah. What I wanted was this candle to make the top wick with no bottom wick and get the flip in the drive. But now we've kind of made the bottom wick, we've rejected, now we're coming back up. So for me, this isn't a no-go. I'm going to wait for the 30 to close. GJ took Zumba dance classes. So it's tapping that area right now. But for me, because it's already tapped down here, it's not what I'd want perfectly. And also the stop. If the stop over here was like, you know, nice and like 10 pips, then maybe without this bottom wick over here. Ooh, fake out buys, yeah. We'll see. Goldie still chilling above 1852. Yeah, so no sells yet. No sells yet, man. Look at the wicks everywhere. Don't you fucking rinse now after tapping that zone. Oh my god. 4 minutes left for this 5 minute.
That push was close to 10 pips.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just a bit cautious of this area here. If I have a little bit of caution, I ain't taking it. But it'll be interesting to see. Maybe in 9 minutes' time, if it doesn't push yet, then the 30 will close. Maybe a little bit further below. Buyers get clapped, sellers get clapped. GJ doesn't discriminate. That's great. That's so funny. Let's take a look here. GJ is fun today. GJ is fun today because we haven't lost any money. It's great. But I know people over here starting their Monday very negatively. Just chill out. If you're struggling, just chill out. Because that was beautiful, the retest there. Oof. So what this is kind of saying is... oh my god, Stefan. Okay, it's reflipping over here. Very nice. The 5 minute time frame coming down. Again. I'm just going to wait for this 30 to close.
Yeah, fuck this.
Yeah.
Relax. It's very contradicting right now.
Ah, looks good now, man. Let's go fly, boy. That wick. Let's take another 5. Yeah, it's got to get a little bit lower. I think like 260 and then you're alright. 5 minutes still has no top wick. Oof. This could fucking wick all the way back up.
It's nice. We're gonna play some casino in the morning.
Yeah. Roulette. Here we go. It's gonna break it in the 5s. Nope. Just patiently wait for the 30 to close, guys. Let's take a look at AJ. AJ's still holding that level. Fucking hell. I just got in. Oh, nice. We'll see. If you got in just there, your stop's kind of beefy, like 16 pips. Oof.
Big.
Kind of beefy.
So.
Yeah. Markets tanking more and more every day. Of course, price action is unpredictable because there's so much emotion in the markets now. Yeah, that's why I was struggling this month, right? A lot of harder trades to take in. 15 minutes don't really work. 15 are very aggressive. So I gotta just be patient a little bit more. Do. Yeah, exactly, Manish. How's crypto doing? Let's take a look over here. Still shit. So if anyone wants to come and join the mentorship and give me all your shit coins, because they're all shit coins now, make sure to send them over to me.
PJ.
Look at GG's playing with your ass. Oh, he's playing with your ass. Look at the minute. Oh.
Go back to the 15 again. Right, this is a good lesson, right? So we got one here and one there. Right, we just wait. We just need one side, none the other side, so we can short it or long it.
Yeah.
There's two. It's just we just don't even look at it. Fuck it.
Yeah.
So dangerous.
Yeah, I would have got slapped there for sure if I didn't look at them left and right.
Yeah, sometimes it's the wick, sometimes it's the
bodies.
Maxi.
What?
Maxi.
What?
Take that shot.
Oh, shit. Sheesh. Okay, so you were looking for sells, but the sells didn't close below your line, right? And they respected it. And he actually got a closure above on the 5s. Nice. Very nice. Very nice.
I'm at break even. So because of that resistance over there, I'm at break even.
Yeah, I was thinking. You might be alright though. If it gets put past 1858, woohoo! You'll be running to the bank, man.
That's where I want to be, man.
5-minute hold support here, Finny boy, yeah.
You like that, Maxi?
Yeah, boy.
Skates, we're tapping it.
Keeps on tapping that bitch. Yeah, and that correlates with this 50 just not being able to do anything because they're still holding that, right? Yeah. So people getting in a bit early there on GJ, yeah. Unfortunately, that wouldn't have played out.
Hold your nutsacks, boys.
Yeah. I'm selling lube for all those that are getting clapped. And I tell you what, it is genuinely now. It's because of the fact that this move's already happened here nicely. Every time this move happens nicely, you get clapped here. There's just no need. There's just no reason for it to just try and jump on the train again. There's no need for it, man. 114 likes, guys. You smashed it today. No trades yet, but you can see why, right? It's very, very hard. I'm saving my bullets this week. I'm telling you. I'm saving my bullets this week. So coming back up, let's take a look at this. Yeah, there you go.
No, I was just saying, we just need to wait. We'll get one or two of these good retest ones. It'll be 20 something pips. We'll be fine.
Yeah.
Just wait. Monday, whole week.
Yeah, 2 25 pip trades. That's me made around about 6%.
There you go.
In it, that's mad. Actually, if you're thinking about that, you have to take such a less trades if you just wait for this fucking retest thing.
Yeah.
And I love how when it flips, you're already at break even. That's what I like about it.
It's clear.
Yeah.
You see it. It's really clear.
So guys in the YouTube, we've back tested this little strategy we're doing for our entries, and you'll see it. You probably won't get what we're doing the first time, but once we've made that first trade, you're gonna get why. It's gonna change your life forever, boys. Yeah, the gulag when we take this trade is like, Max, why are you taking this trade up here? I go, just you wait. And they go, Max, TP1 hits 10 pips. No, brother, no. Hold on your ass. This is not 10 pips trade. This is a 25 pip trade. How much percentage you gain on that, Max? 4%. Oh my god. Nice. Let's take a look at that 5 then, Jace. Oh, that was tasty. So you had your little line. Was it on that one there? Yeah, like that. Was it like that? That's so shit at them. It's so fucking hard. Thing is though, with the trend lines, I could make it look nice. Like that's the issue with it. Like, you just make it look as nice as possible because you're making it yourself. Whereas like, is it the right one?
It's got to respect the low wicks. That's as long as it's respecting the low wicks, not the bodies.
Oh, Jason, you take some money on that bitch? Too right.
It's funny, when I learned about trend lines, it was always about then having it on the bodies and not the wicks, and always making sure it was on the close of the bodies and nothing to do with the wicks at all. It's funny how just like,
oh shit, I don't know. I give up. Leave it to you guys. What?
I love it how you say. I love it how Max says GJ random push, but when Gold pushes, he doesn't say no random word.
Wait, what?
You say like GJ gets a random push. Now with Gold, you don't say a random push.
Nah, that's pretty. What does that look like on the 15? No, let's just take a look. Because on the 5, you can see it. Yeah, 15 just. I mean, it's holding that level, right? 1852. Yeah, so yeah, it's pretty nice. A retracement would be nice for a push back up at NY. Yeah, maybe for GJ. 50-minute close bullish now. Oof. 30-minute close bearish. Hourly still bearish. So it's kind of contradicting, right? It's like, oof. If I had to guess, I think it's probably going to continue up after it makes this little wick. But yeah, it's hard to get it right. So you just gotta chill out. You just gotta chill it out. It's a Monday, guys. So if you've taken more than, what would Timmy do, mate? If Timmy was trading GJ right now, he'd be shitting his guts, right? He doesn't know where it's gonna go right now. The good thing is that the dailies started to come above this area, which it couldn't do yet last week. Above 160. It's a shame that I fucking ran at 6 AM. 6 AM, like why the fuck would you do that? Why don't you just wait until I come on stream and then push? Fuck's sake. Where's the weed at? Turtle soup. Oh my god, people say turtle soup in the YouTube. You're probably taking pictures of your Lego, bro. That Lego set is class. I literally learned how cars fucking work. I had no idea how like cars work really. I got the basis of it, but I didn't really know like properly. Now I'm basically a full ass mechanic. I can like fucking make that shit. Oh, Brian, not Brian. Jace, your runner might be quite nice over here, man. If it breaks above 1858, oof. Ugh. That could be kind of nice. Yeah, 1858 would be tasty. So, the only thing that I'm looking at here, really, on gold, I'm trying to think, is a closure above. Next candle opens. comes back, retests that zone, take a buy there, stop loss below there, and then when it comes to this flip, stop loss to break even, and then you get a fucking launch. Do you agree? And that'd be pretty much the same move that happened last week. Yeah, that'd be nice. Oh shit. What the fuck? Did I just put off you guys? I know, we're okay, we're okay. I'm gonna get as well. Wait, what? I was checking Lego shops this weekend. Oh mate, it's fire. It's so sick. It's got literally suspension. It's got all of the struts. It's got all of the pistons working when you turn the motherfucker. It's so cool. GBPJPY now. Let's take a look. Breaks the previous highs. You should potentially continue, but the 30-minute close bearish, right? Taking a buy with the 30 minutes bearish is not a vibe. GJ flipping the 15. Yeah. Nice. So if you got in now, stop loss would be 10 pips, but for me it's not a proper setup. It's a very risky one, especially the way it's been moving. It's been moving mad, right? It's been moving mad. Seems market's ranging, yeah. Well, it doesn't surprise me after that massive fat fucking push before, you know. This wasn't a small push, right? 100 pips before London, like damn. Yeah, that was the nice one. I think that one for me was probably the only move this morning. It was a nice little low wick and it just pushed nicely. Do you accept a full 1R loss on that retest entry if it keeps pushing? Well, it's not a 1R, right? So where could we do an example of last week? Where was a good example? Oh yeah, this one here, right? So I took this trade, right? Let's just go through this little retest thing, right? So closure above of this resistance, a nice closure above on this candle. So that's a confirmation we're going to leave it. Okay. So then I took a buy on the flip. Stop loss below the current wick that I just made, rejecting the previous zone, and then we took it, right? So for me in this trade, I got I think we got around about 13, and then it came to break even. So 13 pips at 8%, right? And I risked 12, so it's like a 1-to-1, right? Now, what potentially we would have done now is this candle closed bullish above, exactly the same. This candle's making a little wick, but look at where it's retested. It's retested this area from the wicks to the left. Can you see here? Retested this previous area, so taking a buy around this area with stop loss below the previous candle here would be a 8 pip stop. So now if we were in this trade, we've got in such a nicer entry, what would happen is, well, when we come to the flip, we put stop loss to break even. So at around about 13 pips, we're already stop loss to break even. So that's more than a 1-to-1, right? That's nearly 1-to-2, to be honest. Nearly 3 more pips of 1-to-2. We don't take any profits here because we know when we get the flip and the break of the high, we're going to continue further. So I think the first TP was around about 25 pips, which was here. So that would have been a, you know, a 1-to-3 risk to reward, and then the runner would have hit. I mean, we probably would have closed after that, so 33 pips. Yeah, so you do the maths there, but it's a lot nicer. Close my current trades that are taking too long. Well done, Ron. Yeah, that's a good way of doing it, right? If price just can't continue, just get out of it, right? Beautiful. So yeah, that's what we're looking at over here. Looking for the retest when we get a nice closure. It's exactly the same as what we do normally, but instead of getting in on the flip, we're getting in a little bit lower when this one has no top wick. So we know 85% chance it's going to make at least a top wick, and at that point there we're break even, right? And that's how you get these big ass fucking meaty trades which you're looking for. So there we go. So someone who took the buys here would have just took 10 pips drawdown. So, you know, really be careful on these trades when price is ranging, right? Just be careful because it's just gonna fuck you up, right?
Slapped.
Like fully slapped, right? Yeah.
There's so many like trigger candles here that you could be like, oh, I could sell here, could buy
yeah.
Fake out, break out. It's like, oh no, like this.
This feels great. Me sitting here like,
but
yes.
it's good that it happened right after we said the videos. that we've had this example.
Yeah.
People can see like what not to take.
Yeah. So the warning signs for this retest here was it's already broken the low, and it's rejected a certain level here, which is the first bad sign. Second bad sign, when it retested the previous area, the stop loss in the previous was way too fucking big. Was there anything else?
Third one was, did anyone notice that how we opened on the 15? We pushed down first.
Yeah.
Pushed down first, then we drove up again. So probability's gone down a lot already.
Yeah.
And then if you switch on the 5, remember when the 5 was coming up and then coming down? You see when it came up close like this, then we were pushing down and people are getting trapped again.
Yeah.
But you see now the range has changed from this to this. You see?
Yeah.
So we're like once candles start closing against you, it gets riskier now.
Yeah.
And then also we had this one here, which touched identically.
Yeah.
And this candle closed above, so we just want to be careful now. We'll get them. They'll come. We'll get some clean ones, but just wait.
So, oh my god, people taking the buys there. RIP. The sells are coming back now. Oh my god. So if this 50-minute closes, this 50-minute closes below. Yeah, it's kind of hard now. The reason why it's hard now is just because of the way it's moved, the way that it hasn't moved smoothly. It puts me off, right? So let me see. If I'd be on YouTube now, I'd be sitting with my pen and paper writing the gems. Take a look at this chart and I'll take a look at your question in a sec. Oof. Wait, who is this? Is this Saket? Oh, you also got the buys as well in the 50-minute. Nice. Tasty. Those stops are nice as well. Like 13 pip stops, 14 pip stops. Okay. They were nice. Well done, well done. You've done well this morning, my man. Very, very well. The fuck is this?
I am up about 5% in my challenge account in just 1 week.
Wow. Well done, my man. Keep it up, keep it up. Good trades, though. Stay focused, you'll be grand. Max, have you ever analysed this kind of moves, looking at them like a rally-based rally? Having the rally on GG for the morning, forming the base now, and waiting for another rally. Yeah. It's just, it's just support forming, right? So it's just like, we talk about this a lot, right? So that's just how things move. So taking a look at the pictures, so this is normally what would happen at the start. So it would be sorry, so like this would be the start rally. Okay, so closure above starts pushing, and then later on you'd wait for the support to form here. This would be between 9:30 and 11:30, then NY will start it again here. That's all those candles are doing, right? That's what's happening, right? Thanks for the old knowledge. I learned too much from your old content videos. I'm able to trade my own. Amazing, man. Well done, brother. Say broken the low of the previous 15 now. It's looking good. Let's take a look on the 5s. Yeah, this is looking a little bit nicer now, right? 4 minutes time for this closure. Retest back at 313 would be nice. So we'll see. Yeah, the best thing here was to absolutely do nothing and just sit in your hands. Exactly. What are you eyeing up then, Bri? Brian's been quiet. Brian's been quiet. That's it. This is him typing on his fucking magic keys. Open trade. I'm okay here, thanks. I woke up at 6 to warm up the plans, checked the GG, and thought to myself, nah, it's fucking Monday in a rush. Went out. When I came back, I laughed my ass seeing the move it made. I bet. Everyone's being quiet now in the group. Everyone's looking at these GJ cells. I said, don't be fucking quiet, guys. So look at this hourly. Nice strong hourly candle now. Damn, boy. Don't get FOMO, Max. Well, you make me get FOMO when you're fucking quiet. I'll get a message in 3 minutes time. Up 16 pips. Thanks, Brian.
I'm just drawing shots. I'm not trading.
I know. I'm joking, man.
I know. Yeah, my terminal's not in there. But you never know.
You never know with this closure. Oh, don't fucking drop it a minute before. To be honest, the further down the better, to be honest. The zone's huge. And Immortal can retest the 320. The only issue again is the fucking stop on the previous 15 is gigantic. Oh, it didn't work. Wasn't happy, man. Ah, thank you, GJ. Closure below 171, A181 would be kind of nice. Will you sell if the candle closes below that recent support? Maybe. We'll see. Yeah, maybe a retest back up to here. Then wicks, and then on the flip, maybe. 48 seconds left for AJ as well. Retest is on the closure, not the wick. No. Yeah, it's pushed too far for the retest, right? So it's gonna be on the flip. Max, check my GJ. Yeah, I will in a sec. 1 second. I'm just taking a look at GJ. 1 sec. Okay, next GJ 50-minute candle will go up and screw people on both sides of the trade. Maybe. Wow, that fucking pumped. Very nice. What's your accent? Chinese? Oh my fucking god. Not again. Fucking Chinese. Okay, 50-minute time frames closed. Bearish. Yeah, the only issue I have is the stops, right? I think I'm probably gonna wait for a top wick and then the flip. What are you thinking, Sash, for earlier entries? Because for me, I can't see them.
Yeah, it's rather big.
Yeah.
It's pretty fat.
It's a fucking fat ass candle.
Yeah. Let's see.
So 135. Yeah, if it comes like 235, that would be enough for me, I think. Because now, you know, look how strong that candle is. We've closed obviously below as well. So a nice retest up to this wick again. 278 would be nice for me. Then take a sell on the flip. Dude, he's Indian. Oh my fucking god. I'm getting every single race in the book right now. Right, listen to me here. What about the 5-minute highs? This 5-minute highs are kind of nice.
Check out what he's got. 10 pips just to the resistance. In my opinion, I think you're late.
Let's take a look at this 30 as well. Yeah. That's a nice top wick now, man. That is a nice ass top wick. Still look at the 5-minute. Yeah. So if you got in now on the 5 minute, your stop loss above would be, yeah, 10 pips. That's pretty reasonable, right? But I think it's because it's based on the 5 minute, I'm not going to do it today. But to be honest with you, now, with that top wick, I think if this flips over here, we're going to continue bearish. So I'm probably going to get in on the bear. It could actually come back to 317 as well. That means the stop would be rather beefy. So this 5 minute over here has got 2 minutes left for this candle. The top wick is retesting the previous level. So for me, I think if we break these current candle lows, we're going to continue bearish. However, I may move it onto the flip over here because the stop's going to be a little bit too big. Yeah, 60 pips is too big. Hello, my brother.
Do you not like? I know we're entering right on that. Are you not worried that it might just come down, boom, and bounce off it?
I mean, yeah, that's why I've literally just deleted it, and not because of that, because of also the 16 pips, but yeah, also for the fact of the 15 there as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I've deleted my sell.
Yeah,
the stop for me in the top wick was 16 pips. So it's too big now. Yeah.
So yeah,
but
I actually close below it.
Oh yeah.
More.
Oh, an AJ in the top. How much is that? Still kind of big. So AJ on the break would be 11 pips. Yeah, that's pretty reasonable. I may have missed that now because of the GJ. But it has closed below. So yeah, if that breaks the low here on AJ, damn, that's gonna be good. Shit, I'm probably missed it over here. That kind of sucks. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Yeah, and it pretty much retested there. Oh my god, that was nice. So that would have been maybe a little bit safer as well. Let's take a look at GJ now. Yeah, looking like GJ's probably going to continue. But yeah, I agree. Let's see if this AJ can hold while I write this signal over here. Yeah, I'm going to take AJ over here. Okay, so I think AJ looks a little bit cleaner over here as well. For the fact that it's actually retested nicely and the zone wasn't too fucking beefy to retest at the highs. So if we break this low at 609, let me just put this over here. We should potentially continue down because the 30-minute time for but then the 30, I don't know if I like the 30, you know. No, I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I've just saw this 30-minute time frame. I'm deleting this. I'm gonna wait for this 30.
Yeah, one already told you to.
My issue with it is the 30-minute time frame is wicked on here. So look, look how close we are to here. We could just rebound off it like Finny Boy said as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it out over here. We could watch it though. We could paper trade it. For me though. On the 15, it looks pretty nice because it's closed above the 15 res here. But the 30-minute time frame for me, yeah, it should be a little bit closed a little bit further down. I'd say below 550, 560. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that over here. Also for the fact that the 4 on the daily isn't exactly with us, but we'll see. So 8 minutes left for this GJ. See if it can continue. But 5 minute close bullish. So we'll see. Yeah, that 30-minute looks like shit. Yeah, that's put me off properly. Look at that 30. Oof. And the 30 again, right? And it's not like we're even completely bearish, right? There's still a 4 on the dailies against us, so you've got to be cautious of that. So best to be cautious and just watch it. Yeah, let's take a look here. Let's take a look at that question here. That's a good decision, Max. Desire to cure boredom by taking trades close to your best setup is the death of so many traders. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so looking like, did we flip there nearly? No, not yet. Hasn't broken the low of the previous either, but we'll see if it's work out. But for me, I think the 30 needed to be a little bit lower over here. So we'll see. He looks Arabian. That's what I fucking thought. If he'll say Chinese, bro, he's fucking Chinese. Yes, Indians are hairy. Oh my fucking god. I told you all he's Vietnamese like Don. Oh my god. Fucking hell.
Also, I don't know who mentioned that the first time, but every time I watch your videos, when I look at your face, you have a little bit of rice eyes.
A bit of what?
Rice eyes.
Rice eyes. Oh my god. Holy fuck. What did you put in the chat, Bri? Let's take a look over here.
I didn't put anything.
No, that.
I was just showing them it's the same as like Rochet's image.
Yeah.
Rochet just had a different trend line to show the breaker structure, and then the resistance form. You see break, resistance form. So it's just a different view, but the same. You know what I mean? Same, but different. You know what I mean?
That's clean.
Yeah. Wow. Clean. On the 5 minute.
Yeah.
That was tasty. That was tasty, man. Okay, the flipping now towards the end of this candle. So yeah, only issue is if the stops are too big. But for me, I'd probably be looking to get in, see if it can push below. Yeah, we'll see. So look at the 30-minute time frame now. You can just see it's right there. Oof. It would scare the hell out of me if I was in it. 1 hour will pull up. Yeah, exactly. Also, you take a look on the hourly time frame in AJ, right? Look at these candles. There's support right there at 550. Yeah, it's not big enough. Look, you can see it really easy on the hourly there. Actually, resistance could act as support there, support there, resistance there. It's just not big enough, right? It needs to close a little bit lower. So that is it. That is a candle where if you're not on the ball there, you'll get caught out pretty badly. Habibi, come to Dubai. Bro, I fucking love Dubai. It's just fire. Check 4 hour on AJ's. Take a look. Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit everywhere, right? Let me just change this. Yeah, boy. Okay, so looking like they're continuing down now. Looking like GJ is, looking like AJ is coming to that level. Nice. So looking like GJ would have worked out, right? GJ would have worked out, but the stop is huge. Maybe on the 5 minute there, it's kind of tasty, to be honest. Actually, it's 10 pips. Yeah, that's nice. Coming back into this area right now, so it's finally done it. Damn, it took its time though. Jesus Christ. So yeah, finally did it, which is nice. It's a tricky little Monday morning, yeah. Well, not for the people getting in earlier here. Shit was easy. Oh wow, you got in on the top wick there. That was nice. So you used bigger stops on the previous 15, but it still worked out nicely, right? Yeah, that was nice. Took a 0.01 just to try. That's sick. Ah, it worked out nicely there, didn't it? Very nice. Got 6 pips on GJ. Why you remove the sell stops? Because the 30-minute time frame on AJ looked a little bit choppy over here. Can you see? You see why it's struggling? Why is it struggling? Well, because it's right at the 30-minute resistance, right? Support could be made there. It's a struggling level. Also, in the 4-hour is there. Sorry, in the hourly, it's there as well. So it's just not a nice zone on the higher time frames. Yeah, wow, that was nice. Look where it retested. Yeah, fuck, man. If that 50-minute was nicer above here, I would have done that, but unfortunately it wasn't. I was looking at getting on the 5-minute there, which would have been 5 pips in the end. Fucking hell. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. So yeah, it looks like people over here in the group who got in a bit higher up, like there, stop loss would have had to have been 20 pips, I think. Yeah, about 20 pips. The gain was, yeah, still more than 1-to-1. Yeah, that 5-minute bearish closure there was kind of nice, right? Yeah, that's pretty tasty. Yeah, Michael, 'cause you didn't have the fire with you. Good lad. What part of the north are you from? Newcastle. Bought GJ. Someone's bought GJ? Oh, shit. Nice. I got in on the top wick, recover my 10-pip loss earlier. Nice. Well done, well done. So you got in the top wick as well. That's where you'd want it, right? You know, the 5-minute retesting on the wicks here. Very, very nice. The only issue is where's you going to put your stops? Above the previous 5-minute there? Maybe if you wanted to. But for me, based on my first kind of retest trade on the 5-minute, I'm not going to do. I'm waiting for the 15. I'm waiting for the 15. Still limit 270 with a 5-minute stop W. Oof. Has gold continued? No, looks like Jason's obviously just finished and sorted himself out. And he's relaxing now. 1 minute till new bar, yeah. Are you going to call it a day now? Well, not a day because I trade NY as well with the group, but I'll call it a session probably soon. Yeah. So for me, if this candle just moved a little bit less bearish and the top wick wasn't too bad and the previous candle stop wasn't 20 pips, then that would be nice. That would be nice. I'd wait for the new hourly to close. Yeah, I mean for me now the hourly closing on GJ didn't close above, didn't close below. Can you see in the 30 minutes? Still didn't close below. So yeah, I'm not looking at that really. A lot of volume coming in over here. Very nice. So look at that AJ. That AJ you would have got slapped. Ah, well you would have had stop loss to break even, I think. Yeah, stop loss to break even probably. Look at this volume, bitch. Oh my god. About gold, please. Gold is just in a little bit of range. I'm looking for buys above later on at 1858. 1858. That's what I'm looking for. Uh, 1858. We found support. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Hourly doesn't have a bottom wick yet though, so don't know. Don't know. So we'll see. Looking like it's retracing now to make the bottom wick of the hourly. Interesting. Jesus Christ, look at that volume. Just ran up 22 pips. Holy shit, and that's retraced all the way back. Oh my god. God, this is an absolutely horrendous aggressive day to start this morning off over here, guys. So just be careful, right? If you've got a W this morning, well done. But for me, it's a little bit all over the place. Look at that retest in the 30. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame now. Yeah, still no bottom wick, so taking the buys would be a little bit cautious because there's no hourly bottom wick. Is this London open? Yeah, it feels like it. It feels like it. Damn. Euro news. Take a look. Yeah. climate change. Connie had a question about parallel though, yeah. Highs getting taken, yeah, it's hard, man. You know, for me, it's very hard now, right? The 4-hour time frame is right at this level, which is the previous support, which is held here. It's also here as well, resistance. So 160, 100, I won't want to sell into, which is where it is right now. It's also the previous 30 hourly resistance, which could act as support here. So yeah, it's kind of hard. For me, I wanted to get in a little bit higher up, maybe like there, to get the drive down to at least that level, but now it's not. And AJ, I'm glad I missed that boat because yeah, it'd be no break-even trade, I think. $130 likes today, amazing work. Make sure to like up the stream. Remember, guys, the more charts you send in, the better the charts are, the more chance you have to win magic keys. If you don't have any magic keys, but you have trading view, you know, make some nice charts and you'll get some magic keys. I'll give it to the best person. I'll give it to the best person. Oh, we've got some more charts over here. Okay, this is looking like it's in a little trend. Buys above 16400. Okay. So you're looking for above this little resistance. Yeah, I agree with that. I think it didn't close above there though, did it? Especially on the 30. It didn't close above. Okay. This is gold. Weekly is bullish, breaking the previous weekly high, and target for the week is 1864, possibly 1890. Daily is bullish, but closure below the resistance. But if the daily closure is above 1852, 880, higher chance tomorrow will continue bullish. Very nice. So you're making a picture in this. You're making the story of what you want to see. Looking for buys above 1857.2 in 1 hour time frame. The next target is 1864. Beautiful. Looking for another buy of 1864, target 1874. Amazing. Very nice. This is what I want, man. Detail. Look at this. He's giving me exactly what I want to see. Buys above, where you can get the buys above, what the overall bias is, what targets for the week is he looking at. This is nice, right? So make sure you do something like that. Beautiful work, my man. Okay. 15-30 minute close above. Wait for previous kind of wick to be broken. Okay, I don't know where you got in though, right? Oh, okay, you got in there. Where my buy stop was placed. Partial goes at 10 pips, stops to break even. Beautiful. Looks like you just got in. I don't know what you mean by break of the high. The high was there, but maybe you just got in, slipped it. Maybe no, that's 4 pips. I have no idea. But beautiful, worked out nicely. Well done, well done. Okay, this is GJ 30-minute time frame. Okay, when was this? Oh shit. Okay, this is earlier on, I think. Yeah, price closed below the range, indicating a start of possible fake out. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Price closed bullish back into the range, indicating a possible fake out. Yeah, very nice. Entered on the break at the current high after a low wick was created. Stop loss below the previous. How big was your stop? Kind of. Jesus Christ, your stop was kind of beefy, but looks like it worked out nicely. So your stop was around about 25, 30 pips, I think. Okay, closed half. Move stop loss to break even around about 10 pips. Okay, nice. Leaving runner to TP at the top of the range. Beautiful. So it looked like that worked out nicely. The one thing I'd say is, if your stop's 30 pips and your first TP is 10, it's kind of a bad R/R. So you got to make sure that it's a proper, very high win rate. So as long as this is like a 90% win rate that you're getting, then you're good. But if it's anything lower than that, like 80, 70, it's not going to be too nice. But yeah, beautiful, worked out nicely. Amazing chart work as well. Exactly what he's done in each step. That's what I want to see. That is what I want to see. Yeah, okay, wow. Look at that rejection, man. Jesus Christ. People take a buys and sells. Just be careful over here. So I think I'm going to leave it off over here. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it off until NY session. But yeah, really good session. Looking at where areas could be a little bit struggling. You can see over here, overall, after that big push, price couldn't continue. So be careful with these impulsive buys, because you probably got slapped pretty hard on them. So just be a little bit careful and cautious. when these big moves come on. Look at the higher time frames. Where did it close above? Where didn't it close above? It's a little bit of traffic to the left over here that it couldn't continue. You could see the first signs of it with these rejection wicks, and now it's continued back down into the zone. So yeah, we'll have to see for NY session, maybe some support forming, or maybe some resistance. The only thing is sells are going to be pretty choppy because it's an ass area, right? But yeah, guys, apart from that, thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So see you later, Zoom. I'll see you guys later for NY session. Simulation is going to be tomorrow. But yeah, see you later, guys. Peace out, man. Adios, amigos. See you later, guys. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Peace out, man. See you later. If you guys do want to join the mentorship, simulations every single week, webinars every single week, and 10 live streams, all for the group, asking me questions. It's perfect with a 80% win rate over the year. It's perfect, man. You make your money back on the trades. So yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, man. Adios, amigos.